Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm finally getting around to making another video. It's been a while, 2 months actually. After I made that last video, things started happening. Things were happening, and what happened was I got some routine scans for my cancer, which I get every 3 months or so. A CT scan for the cancer in my hip, and there's also MRI for my chest, and so the radiologist for my hip, who was reading the scan, said, "Oh, it looks like the bone has grown pretty well with your bone treatments. It's going well. I don't think the cause of your pain is your cancer. Your joint is pretty shot." So that was actually very exciting news, because I thought, oh, well, if it's my joint, then I can fix it, right? And he said, yes, I would go ahead and do that. So at my next chemo appointment, my doctor had the scans then, and he noticed that the tumors in my they call it my axil, weren't growing, but they weren't shrinking either. So he said, we will pause the chemo treatment for 6 weeks, he said, and in that time you can see to your hip. So I made an appointment with a clinic in Munich that does orthopedic oncology, and saw the doctor there, and he said, oh yeah, we could do a hip replacement, would be a good thing, and we'll get you an appointment. And I had an appointment 5 days later for my surgery. So it was a whirlwind. I got the surgery, and just a few days later, my pain was gone. I mean, after the surgery, pain was pretty much gone. My hip pain was gone. I have the restriction of 20 kilograms on my right leg. I can only put so much weight on my right leg, which is really, really hard, especially when there's no pain. It's not very much. And I just did a little check on the scale today, and boy, I put way more than 20 kilograms on my leg. But my restriction lifts on Tuesday. So as of Tuesday, no more Virgil and Vincent. They've been following me around everywhere for several months now. And luckily, my youngest daughter got her learner's permit, so she can only drive if I'm in the car, and I can't drive, so she's been my chauffeur, and it's been just a wonderful, she got the license while I was in the hospital, so she got it, and it's been a great compromise. I don't have to drive anywhere, and she can get lots of practice. So that is very, very good news. As of Tuesday, as I said, I will have no more restrictions. I can put weight on my leg, no more crutches, and I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. Ooh-wee. Sorry, people who know me well know that that's a problem of mine. So please forgive me. Let me see. Next week, yes, I am off my crutches, and I couldn't have done all of this without I have angels. I have angels everywhere. Angels have been walking Ella on a schedule for months and months, including my daughter and 3 or 4 other people in the rotation, and it's just been fantastic. so grateful for that. And for friends who've been driving me around and bringing me things and running errands for me and cleaning for me. Uh, One of my angels came and helped me clean out my closet because there were a lot of clothes in there that don't fit anymore. And yeah, it's been a whirlwind. And the 6 weeks are going by very, very slowly, especially since I don't know if you can see in the window behind me, but there's scaffolding outside. And shortly after I got home from the hospital, the scaffolding went up. They taped up the windows, and we were pretty much stuck. I was pretty much stuck in the apartment without access to the balcony, and I can't walk, so I could only maybe go outside and sit in the stairwell of the building to get a little fresh air and sunshine because I couldn't walk that far. And then I finally got a chair so that I could at least sit in the on the chair in the lawn because the picnic table out there is in the shade. So it's been too cold to sit in the shade. But it's finally warming up, so that's also great news. And I just have this weekend to get through and until Tuesday, and then I'm free. So that is a whirlwind report of what's been going on. And it's very hard to stay off my leg when I have no pain. It's a miracle, really a miracle. No pain. I never thought it possible. As of the 1st of June, I'll be going to rehab and getting my muscle strength and flexibility and endurance back. I'll be there for 3 weeks, and then I have all sorts of other doctor's appointments coming up. But 2023 was supposed to be my Phoenix year, and it was everything but my Phoenix year. So maybe this is my Phoenix year. I noticed that 2 years ago on social media, I had written, what did I write? I wrote, life has chewed me up and spit me out again. It's not clear to me yet whether I'm destined for the compost heap or the junkyard. And now I honestly feel like I've been composting, and now I'm ready to bloom. So thank you for all your wonderful wishes and thoughts and support and prayers and whatever it is you do. I really, really appreciate it. And tune in next time, I hope, with more good news. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day or evening or wherever you are in the world. Bye-bye.